Hi guys, good morning. It's Javier Garcia with Stage Yard Roofing. Thanks for tuning in. Here we're getting ready to go ahead and repair a commercial roof. They had a leak against their walls. It was due to the failure of the underlayment being oil and petroleum. Let me go ahead and show you what we found. Here you can see that the underlayment's shot, it's cracked. Water could definitely get in here. They tried just throwing Henry's on it, but it did not work. So here you can see we lifted up the towel. We're ready to go ahead and put a synthetic underlayment and give our clients a longer lifespan and just do it once and do it right. So give us a call today for your free estimate. Thanks, guys.